Welcome to the heart of Transylvania, the charming medieval town of Brajov, Romania.
We're going to explore all of the top sites of the Old Town Center, and the good thing is, it's all walking distance. So let's go on a little tour. Right out our window, you can see the iconic Hollywood-style sign.
I've been so looking forward to this day.
It's time to take a walk.
I can honestly say that I never ever in my life thought I'd be exploring Brajov, Romania. But here we are, Transylvania, and it's our first time.
We've been here for 4 weeks, and my impression is that it is so charming.
It is such a beautiful day. A perfect, beautiful day. Oh,
Right now, we're walking to the Old Town Center.
The cobblestone streets, the cool buildings, and the clean, crisp mountain air. It's a beautiful place to travel to or even live.
It really does have a medieval feel to it, sort of a medieval vibe.
And so what we're going to do is we'll walk around kind of like a little tour and show you the top sites in Brajov.
After our little walking tour showing you around the Old Town Center, we're hiking up Tampa Mountain to the iconic sign for the ultimate view.
The top sites. It's one of the most popular things to do in Brajov, so let's go! Brajov is a walking-friendly city, which is great. We love that.
And our accommodation is super close, only a few blocks away. And that's not the only thing we love. It is a place full of history and culture located in the Transylvania region of Romania. Here in Brajov, we are surrounded by the Southern Carpathian Mountains, which includes Mount Tampa.
Which is the mountain with the Brajov sign, by the way.
Probably the best. I'll pass.
Brajov has retained much of its medieval charm, which is what attracts a lot of visitors. Here we are in Council Square. The interesting thing about Brajov and Transylvania is that it hasn't always been a part of Romania. It used to be a part of Hungary and Austria, which makes it a unique blend of cultures.
We are standing in the Council Square, or Piața Sfatului, right in the middle of the Old Town Center. This place is a historic hub in the heart of Brajov that's definitely worth traveling to.
Since 1364, nearly 700 years, this vibrant square has served as an active marketplace, attracting merchants from all around. Transylvania, Asia, Eastern Europe, Russia.
It has multiple museums and many restaurants serving traditional Romanian dishes.
And no, they don't want to drink your blood, probably.
Probably. And of course, you can't miss the Black Church, Biserica Neagră, clearly visible from the town square.
I heard it is the largest Gothic church in this part of Eastern Europe.
This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be smaller, but this is enormous, big.
The Black Church is a must-see sight all on its own. The name comes from the walls, which turned black in a fire in 1689.
That's more than 300 years ago.
I'm going into the Black Church. Got my ticket right here. I'm excited. Don't know what to expect.
How was it inside?
I think it was a really cool experience to go inside. They have the largest, apparently one of the largest collections of Ottoman rugs, so Turkish rugs, that I thought were very interesting. The pews, they've built pews according to each of the guilds, so there's a lot of medieval, it's a very medieval vibe inside. The stonework, the carvings, the stone, and the paintings. I really liked some of the paintings they have inside. They asked us not to film inside, so I respected that. But if you can go in, I think it's really cool. It's very big and open, lots of space, lots of things to read, and a lot of history. Dating back from, I think, the 15th century, I believe it said. So, very old, very cool. And very big.
Nearby is Porta Ekaterinae, or Catherine's Gate. It is one of the most unique and iconic landmarks in all of Romania.
Probably. Built in 1827, this magnificent gate was once the main entrance to the city of Brasov, serving as a gateway for travelers and traders alike.
What sets it apart is its blend of Austrian, German, and Romanian influences, making it a one-of-a-kind treasure that reflects the city's past as a cultural crossroads.
It is also one of the oldest and most well-preserved gates in Eastern Europe.
The coat of arms of Brasov features a crown with the bottom part of a tree trunk and its roots. I love this tree outside with fuzzy flowers. They're fuzzy. I did not see this coming. Did you think these were fuzzy, Noelle?
No. Look at them. They're cute. They're fuzzy. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
They're soft.
Now we're going to the famous street, Rope Street, or Strada Sfori in Romanian.
This street is famous and a somewhat quirky attraction in Brasov. It is the narrowest street in Eastern Europe.
Probably. Built in the 15th century as a shortcut for firefighters, it features colorful graffiti and art on its walls.
15th century? I suppose it worked, since the Black Church is still standing today. Now we're going toward the mountain to go outside the city wall. Many locals come here to just have a nice walk, and it is easy to see why. It's very peaceful.
You can also see what is left of the city's defensive wall.
The Draper's Bastion. The Draper's Bastion is also right here outside the city wall. Originally given to the Goldsmiths Guild, later entrusted to the Drapers Guild. This is another example of the medieval charm of the city. There you can see Noelle knocking on the door. There's no defense against that. Probably.
There's a cable car that you can pay to take you up Tampa Mountain, but we are going to hike up. Let's hike up the mountain!
Oh yeah. A little hard to find, but this is the way we go.
You go up there for the cable car, but we go up here.
The weather is super nice today. I'm a little worried since it rained yesterday, so I hope it's not muddy or mosquito infested.
It's pretty. Very pretty. Very green.
That way.
This way. You're not gonna get lost in time.
You actually have to hike up a little bit just to get to the cable car. That takes you up and down Mount Tampa. Cable car costs about $11 to ride one way. That's how much we paid for our ticket one way. Our plan is to hike up and then take the cable car down.
Wow. Oh, it's right there. It's right above us.
What? Coca-Cola.
Wow, that's gorgeous. And there's the square down there. Wow, look at that.
We were just right down there.
Yeah, look at that thing too. That's so cool. Cable car. And we're walking.
This reminds me of our house in Bucharest, Romania. And do you remember what happened, Noelle?
Oh, you mean when we were attacked by those mosquitoes and those ticks thingies?
We were attacked by mosquitoes and what we later learned were deerkeds. They are a type of parasitic fly. I thought they were a type of tick. They look similar to a tick. It's not a difficult hike, but it is a dirt path with lots of rocks. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you are planning to hike up.
I think hiking down would be more difficult because it can be kind of easy to trip on these rocks if you're not careful.
I almost tripped.
Wow. Ooh, you can really see out. But we're not at the top yet. Gotta keep going.
Look, they have these benches along the way.
Ah, nice resting point.
I think we made it to the top. My phone tells me we climbed 43 flights of stairs, so not too bad. This hike took us 1 hour to complete, not including the way down, just going one direction from bottom to top. 1 hour.
Look at that sign. Brajov! What a sight!
Wow, look at it. Here's the Black Church and the square where we were.
This is such a good view. So this is Transylvania going that way. And behind us in the mountains, that's going towards Bucharest.
That's it! Exploring Brajov on foot is a great way to experience this city's charm and history. We hope this video has inspired you to get outside and explore Romania's beauty.
And this is just the old town. The rest of Brajov is much more modern. There's lots of shops and malls and condos. It's a really nice city.
There's so much to explore.
Now we're going to take the cable car down. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. We are really new to making videos and our videos will continue to improve.
Check out our latest video or our most popular video here.
Doare capul de la